Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into eBay credit card. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into eBay credit card account, go open a web browser. Once you do that, type in eBay credit card login and press the enter on your keyboard. Click on the first link that you see the accessor account. Synchrony, your eBay credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank. Go ahead and click on this link, and you'll be taken to the page where you can log into your account. In the first text field that says User ID, enter your user ID associated with your eBay credit card account. Once you do that, go ahead and enter your password for your account. Once you type in your password, you can double-check your password by clicking on this show link at the right corner. If you want the system to remember you, click on this box that says Remember User ID. But if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box. In case you've forgotten your user ID, you can go and click on the user ID link right here that says I forgot my user ID, or similarly you can click on password link in case you've forgotten your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can go and click on the register link and register yourself to a new account. After you're done entering all the credentials needed, and you're good to go, simply click on Secure Login. Once you do that, you'll be logged into your eBay credit card account just like that. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.